channel. What's going on, you guys? Okay, today I'm bringing you guys another short wig for the hot season. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. We are getting so hot, we gonna take these wigs off. Yes, y'all. So I told you that I was gonna bring you guys some shorter units for the warmer weather. Okay, so you seen the title and you seen the thumbnail, so you already know. You already know why we here. Hopefully your girl looks good, okay? Hopefully I look good, because sometimes I don't look good, you know? And it's okay. It's okay. I'm allowed to not look good sometimes. Are y'all ready to be introduced to my new friend? Is y'all ready? Bam! Okay, so we have the Bobbi Boss Lace Front Premium Synthetic Wig, and this is Miss Vera. Yes, and I got her in the color 1B. Now, she is a short unit, and she got a little left part, y'all. And I'm so excited about that. I know I be rocking the middle parts, but y'all, I only got like 2 wigs that I love with a middle part. Other than that, I think my forehead too big. But yes, y'all, I'm a left parter. Left party. We're going to go ahead and open up Miss Vera. Vera Wig. Ooh, I'm fancy. So we're going to go ahead and open her up and see what she's talking about. Okay, here is the stock card. You really can't see it because she got like, I think the color 613. She is platinum, baby. So, you know, she is really clashing with my light. Here she is fresh out the pack, you guys. I don't know if she's short on one side. It looked like she's short on this side and longer on the right side, okay? The hair feels good, y'all. She feels just like my favorite wig, LYNA, whatever her name is. Y'all know which one I'm talking about. Here's the part up close. The front of the wig, we have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with the adjustable strap. We're gonna go ahead and do a wig swap. I didn't even get to put it all the way. Did y'all see that excitement? Did y'all see that excitement? Yes. Oh, Bobbi Boss be coming through. Yes, honey. Yo. Listen. I really picked out some good wig choices for y'all so we can slay during the summertime. Like, oh, is y'all ready? Okay, ladies, now let's get information because we slay. Yes. Okay. Let me calm down, y'all. So this is the part up close. I'm going to go ahead and turn to the side. I am feeling this wig, honey. Yeah. When I think about Jesus, what he done for me. Yes. Thank you, Lord, for leading me in the right direction to get this wig, honey. Yes. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my pressed powder. Y'all know the drill. I took my wig grip off to make it lay a little bit more flatter. And, you know, it seems pretty secure without it. So I don't think that I need the wig grip, you guys. But I'm going to go ahead and add some pressed powder to the part. Make it look a little bit more natural. Okay, y'all. And I'm back. Like, I'm back, y'all. I love this wig so much. But to address the elephant in the room, your girl has on a whole different shirt. She got her nails done. I know y'all looking at me like, girl, what happened? I don't know what's been going on with me lately, y'all, but your girl has been deleting footage left and right. And I don't know why. I have some wigs coming up with Janet Collection, and I deleted one of the videos. I've been praying for this time in my life as a business owner, growing my brand, you know, wanting to work with different companies. I'm a procrastinator. I'm unorganized. Like, y'all don't be like me. Y'all tell me like, y'all, your goals, and you inspire me. Do better than me, okay? I keep it 100% with y'all. Like, your girl be slacky. I'm a procrastinator, and I just be messing up sometimes, but I'm gonna get it together. But this video will be up today. I've been wearing this wig all weekend long. Do you hear me? And I love it so much. If you haven't checked out my Bobbi Boss LYNA wig, I'll leave that down in the description box. And these wigs are the same. They're both bobs, but this one is a left part and it's asymmetrical. Like, this wig is the bomb. LYNA was my favorite wig, but Vera has definitely stole my heart. Like, I'm feeling real glamorous with this wig. Like, G-L-A-M, I am first class up in the sky. I wanna change by the glamorous. Ooh, the flossy, the glamorous. Hey! But yes, y'all, like, get this wig. If you love a bob and you love a left part, get this wig, okay? Like, I wouldn't lie to you. I wouldn't steer you wrong. And I know in the video I showed you guys, that I was using my pressed powder on my part. Well, I have canceled that. Over the weekend, I was using my Sally Hansen Airbrush Deep Glow Spray. I have nothing negative to say about this wig, y'all. Like, nothing at all. It is affordable. I didn't experience no tangling, no shedding, no nothing like that. Like, nothing. Go get this wig. If you like this video, you guys, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It does help your girl out. It helps my videos get seen across YouTube. So go ahead, like this video, you know, interact with your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, drop them down below, and you know I will talk back to you. I love talking to y'all. We have almost reached 2,000 subscribers. Like, I can't believe it. And I may not be as big or growing like everybody else that grows so rapidly and so fast, but we don't compare our journeys to other people. What's meant for them will be for them, and what's meant for me will be for me, and what's meant for you will always be for you. So don't let nobody, and I mean nobody, stop you. I got a strong support system. Like, just know that. My husband is thebomb.com. Like, I got a fake manager. My cousin Tree, she's thebomb.com. She really helps me, and I appreciate her so much. And I know she watching this because, yo, she critiqued my videos like really hard. So I couldn't have came on here anyway, like with a new shirt, with the same shirt on and nails, new nails, because she would have been like, I see you. Anybody that supports me, genuinely support me, I appreciate y'all 1,000%. But I am so thankful. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. With that being said, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that big red button down below, because I know you see it. I know you see it. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.